Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another hair tutorial. This video is sponsored by a company called Ali Annabelle off of AliExpress. I believe I'm saying that right. And I'm just showing you guys everything that came in the packaging. They sent me a 4x4 closure wig. It is a super cute curly texture along with everything that you need to install the wig with some super cute lashes that I actually installed before I did this video. So I'll be showing you guys that with this red look that I do. But first things first, I want to show you the packaging and how the wig looks. So this is a machine-made closure wig. You have your 3 clips or 3 combs in the top and on the sides, and then 1 comb in the back, along with 2 adjustable straps, and then of course the lace closure. The closure knots were dark, so I did go in and bleach the knots, and I did that with a 30 volume developer for about 35 minutes, rinsed it out with some purple shampoo, and then kept it moving. And this is a 180 density wig, and it is 20 inches, which is right up my alley. So those lashes that you just saw earlier, I actually popped them on. I honestly don't really wear a lot of AliExpress lashes just because I feel like a lot of lashes that come from like wig companies are not good, but these lashes are awesome. I wore them in both looks that I did in this video. So shout out to you guys for actually having some good quality lashes that I can wear and not feel like they're going to just blow off with the wind. So I'm popping the unit on and I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace, and I'm just sizing it. Because it is a closure, you could like finesse it a little bit, but you can only move it around where the part is. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how it looks while it's curly and wet, and then I'm going to let it air dry, and then the next day, which is look 2, I'm going to show you guys how that looks. So I did this 2 ways. First way was lazy girl method, literally just bleaching the knots and popping this on. But it's completely up to you. That's not a step that you have to take because it's a closure wig. What you can do is just apply the wig and put some foundation or some powder that matches your skin. And I'll also be doing that towards the end too. But even with the knots just bleached by themselves, it looks okay. The only thing is you can see my wig cap a little bit if you get super close, but nobody should be that close to my scalp. So I'm just showing you guys how these curls look. I didn't put any leave-in or anything. I literally just washed this and put conditioner, ran it out after I got finished bleaching the knots, and this is how the natural curls came through. And I was really, really loving these curls, guys. I love me a curly unit just because I hate curling hair. I love a unit where you can just get up and go and it just does what it needs to do. So real quick, I'm just showing you guys how it looks up close. It doesn't look terrible, but you definitely can see how it's a little bit orangey, so I am going to put some foundation on it just to blend it better and to blend out that cap that I have underneath, just for a seamless blend. So this is the unit curly, and then I'm going to come back in a few and show you how it looks when it's dry. Because it is a closure unit, you can part it like middle, side part, and do slightly off center. But once I do the dry portion of this video, I'm going to show you how I finessed it because I love me a good side part with big curly hair. So I'm just going to shift the unit slightly just to give it more of like a va-voom and add a little bit of texture, and you'll see what I mean in just a second. Right now I'm just judging it, taking a couple looks, getting my last couple looks at these curls while they're wet, because I already know that I'm going to slay this when it gets dry. So here's how the closure looks up close without any foundation or blending, and this is just freshly thrown on. So yeah, you just have to be careful. You can't do too much with this because it's a closure, but I was just being a little extra just so you guys can catch the extraness. And now it is day 2. I have the lashes on from the same company. It's just a different makeup look, guys. Wig cap already ready to go. And this unit has air dried overnight. So I'm just gonna place it on and I'm gonna play around with styling. I like big curly hair, so I'm gonna play around and show you guys like a side part, a middle part, another side part, and then what I'm going to do is just shift the wig a couple different ways that will still make it secure on your head. Just slightly shift it so that way you can see a couple different ways that you can finesse and wear this unit. So I'm just moving all the baby hair out, and I am also going to use some of my Fenty foundation. I'm going to use 390 because I'm out of 370. I'm just going to use that to blend the part as well. And if you can't already tell that I'm feeling myself just by the way I'm judging my hair, then you need to just reevaluate your life, because I definitely thought I was cute. So I'm just going in. I'm going for like a 90s. I've been doing a lot of 90s throwback hairstyles. I'm just a 90s baby, so that's my era. And I'm just pulling some of that hair from the back or from the front to behind my ears just to give it more of like a 90s cute little, you know, look. So this is like look 1, and then I'm going to shift it around a couple of different ways and just show you how I like to wear it. So I'm going to put the foundation on now before I get to my final style. Like I said, I'm using my Fenty foundation, a tiny little detail brush, and I'm just going to slightly tap this on the part. You don't want to apply too much, just enough to blend it to your skin. Okay, so now that's done. I'm just gonna zhuzh my hair a little bit. I like big hair, as I told you guys before, so I'm just kind of using my fingers to manipulate the curls, not to unravel them, but just to make it bigger. And then I'm just gonna go in and add a couple layers with some shears just to get rid of those tiny little stragglies at the end, because I do wanna wear this sideways with the side part. So of course, when you shift it, the hair is not gonna be even. So I just wanna go in and create some natural layers. That way, when I wear it to the side, it looks cute, but also when I wear it to the front, it still has some dimension to it and it's actually really cute. So thank you guys so much for watching. I already did the shake test. She's not going anywhere. And I will see you guys in the next video. I will tag everything down below. Everybody have a wonderful new year. Bye.